Okay, y'all, I am obsessed with this one pan lasagna, and I need you to make it right now. Start with a deep pan on medium high heat. Add a pound and a half of ground beef and break it down. Season with 2 teaspoons each of black pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, oregano, and onion powder, plus 1 teaspoon of basil, chili flakes, and salt to taste. Let that meat brown up. Then throw in half an onion, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Cook 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook 2 more minutes. Now pour in 7.4 ounces of tomato sauce, 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of water, and half a tablespoon of sugar to cut that acidity. Bring it to a simmer, taste for salt, then drop the heat to medium-low and let it go for 15 minutes. Break your lasagna noodles right into the sauce, make sure every single piece is coated, and cook another 15 to 18 minutes until soft. Drop spoonfuls of ricotta all over the top, hit it with Parmesan, pile on the mozzarella, cover it, and let that cheese melt. Garnish with fresh parsley, let it rest 5 minutes, then dig in.